have here today. All right, and very, very quickly right now, eyes in the sky, ladies and gentlemen, coming in again, majestically up in the skies from your right into the center. This is the twin-engine trunk jetliner from Comac, presenting the C919. Well, this C919 aircraft accommodates 158 to 192 passengers with a range of 4,075 and 5,555 kilometers, meeting different operational requirements of airlines. And its maximum operational altitude is 39,800 feet. And the aircraft's design maximum takeoff and landing altitude is 15,000 feet. And the maximum takeoff weight is 75,100 kilograms. And the C919 from Comac large passenger aircraft utilizes advanced aerodynamic design, propulsion systems and materials, resulting in lower carbon emissions and higher fuel efficiency. And the C919 aircraft can support instrument flight rules, IFR, and the visual flight rules, the VFR, operations during day and night, and operations in icing conditions, RVSM, and RNAV requirements. And the seating arrangement in the C919 cabin can be adjusted according to different operational needs. There are three typical layouts: a hybrid configuration with 158 seats, including no less than 8 business class seats, a full economy class with 168 seats, and a maximum seating capacity of 174, aiming for 192 in total. And the design of the PED, the personal electronic device, support on the edge of a tray table, allows passengers to enjoy onboard meals without restricting their ability to watch shows or movies hands-free. And the cabin offers a 2.25 meter aisle height, slightly wider middle seats, and also compared to side seats, various ambient lighting modes, and also lower noise levels, fresh air quality as well, providing passengers a quiet and comfortable travel environment. And as of now, the C919 has received orders for 1,061 aircraft for more than 30 customers. 2 C919 aircraft operated by China Eastern Airlines are flying the Shanghai Hongqiao Chengdu Tianfu Air Express route with a cumulative saved passenger count exceeding 60,000 as of the end of November, demonstrating excellent operational conditions. Well, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Comac C919 right here at the Singapore Airshow 2024. Okay, keeping your eyes up in the skies. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to bring on next up in the